Hello there, my name is Azat Mardan. I'm the author of React Quickly. This is the video to introduce you to Chapter 18, Project Nile Store with React Router. Again, I'm not using the latest cutting-edge React router, but that's okay because this project is just to give you some skills. The more practice you have creating components and modularizing them, working with Webpack and React Router, the better. Even if it's a slightly version which is slightly behind, you can always get the up-to-date resources at the React Router website or the Webpack website. We are about the fundamental concepts, and that's what I'm giving you, the practice to see how the projects are built, how you can build a similar project, and the certain tips and tricks. So this is basically an Amazon.com clone, Nile bookstore. You have a few pages with products, my books. You can click a buy button, you would see the detailed view. You can put it in a shopping cart, and then you would have a different view. So you can see different screens, and the way they work, you would see the URLs being changed. And that URL would also have the product ID. So you can just hack it and put a different product ID. You would see a different page, but that page was not gonna have a model. So there is a certain trick which you can do in React Router to basically know where you're coming from. If you're just coming from without a browser history, then you're not going to see the model. If you are coming from a home page or a product list page, then yes, it would be shown in a model view. Model meaning it's a box. It's a box on top of another screen. And no model means it's just a page. It's just a page and there is no background. Launching a project, then I have a homework. So regular things. We're using Webpack, JSX. So get more practice. And look at the GitHub. Look at the GitHub at the latest versions. There would be updates coming, different versions. Maybe there are some enhancements to this project. So go ahead and check out the GitHub page as well, which is github.com/my username, azat-co/react-quickly. So React Quickly, the GitHub repository for React Quickly. Go and check that. The link is in the book as well. So that's it, and I'll see you in a couple of the next projects for this book, React Quickly.